Hi guys, my name is Valentino. I'm a Project 2 student and this is my alarm system project. As you initially can see what is printed on my LCD screen. Moving on, say an intruder wants to open your front gate while you're not at home, the alarm will go off. Notice that it sends a message to your LCD saying unauthorized entry at the gate. To stop this or to neutralize this alarm, you have to put in the correct code. Notice that I also open serial print so that the code can display on there. Let's enter the code. The code is 5364 and then we use star for enter. As you can see, the code is displayed on the serial print. Moving on, I have a PIR motion sensor at my front door, which has a delay of 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds, the red LED will start to blink. So let's check how it works. There we go. See the LEDs blinking on and off. It also sends a message to your LCD saying motion detected at the door. As the gate entry, we should also put in the correct password to stop this alarm or to neutralize it. So let's do so. Reset the password first and then 5364. See, that goes to what it initially was. It resets the whole alarm system. Moving on to the last part of my project, I have another PIR sensor which is situated in the house. This one goes off initially, so let's see how it works. It senses motion. As long as it senses motion, it will give the siren. Let's see if there's no motion, what will happen. See, it goes off, but still, to reset the alarm system, you have to put in the correct code. So let's do so. Wait, let's first reset. 5364, enter, and there we go. Thank you for your time. I'm Valentino, signing out.